Ever wondered what we could use a death ray for? Stay with us now to see what the inventor of one did with it. If you're paying your hotel bills by cash, a debit or credit card, or maybe even using cryptocurrencies, you're just not doing it right. Nikola Tesla, the inventor of the famous Tesla coil, once paid his hotel bills using a box, which he claimed contained a death beam. He told the hotel management that it was a one-of-a-kind treasure, and further threatened them that if someone tried to open it without precautions, and so, of course, nobody dared open it. Not until his death at least, whereupon they forced open the box, just to find out that it only contained a bunch of laboratory equipment. As it turned out, Nikola Tesla never did invent anything like a death ray. A really intelligent guy indeed. So now you're a little bit smarter than before. If you enjoyed, be sure to like the video. And if you really loved it, consider supporting us on Patreon. Also, we will be taking the top comment from this video and putting it somewhere in our next video, encrypted in our secret language. So be sure to leave something witty, funny, or informative down below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.